password. Are you trying to sign into your account and you are unable to do so? Perhaps you have forgotten your password. Well, don't worry. Just follow these 5 steps to reset your password. Step 1. On the sign-in page, click on Lost Password. Step 2. Submit your username or email address in the space provided, and an email will be sent to your email address with instructions on how to gain access again. Step 3. From your email address, click on the link sent to reset your password. Step 4. Choose a new password containing a capital letter, small letter, a number, a symbol, and it must have at least 8 characters. Step 5. Save changes and your password will be reset.